Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskreutz with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and today I'm going to continue focusing on RightTool, and in particular I want to focus on some of the free tools in case any of you have not upgraded to the pro level yet. And as you can see, I do use the pro level subscription, but what I'm going to talk about today is another feature that I really like, even though it's not necessarily one of my favorites. Well, actually, I like it just as well as I like most of the other free things in here. So anyway, it's worthy to talk about. But before I jump in and talk about this, I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to my channel, share it with others. My goal is to help accountant users and any end users use QuickBooks Online and desktop to their maximum capabilities. And to the extent that I can help you do that, I would love to have you subscribe, be a part of my YouTube family. So with that said, as you can see, I am in the RightTool screen in the settings area, and I am actually in the tabs management area of RightTool. And if you look at the very bottom of the screen, you'll see that there's a button called Reports Enhanced Drilldown. And I'm going to show you a little bit about what that does. And I talked a little bit about this last week, but basically what this Reports Enhanced Drilldown does is it solves a pain point that many of us have when we have different tabs that we want to stay open as we are working in somebody's QuickBooks file. So I'll tell you what, let's just go ahead and switch over to the Kathy's bookkeeping test file, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So give me a few seconds or so to switch over. Okay, so as you see, I am now in my Kathy's bookkeeping test file here, and I have actually run a profit and loss report for the test file for all dates, since this file is a test file and it's not really cleaned up like it should. I had to run it for all dates for demonstration purposes. So at any rate, say that you're working in the profit and loss, you want to drill down into one of the line items here so that you can see the transaction listings. Anyway, let's say this bookkeeping services line item. You want to drill down in there to see what these line items represent. And normally if you do this without using RightTool, it's basically going to open up in the same tab and get rid of this profit and loss. But you want to keep this profit and loss open. So the way that you would do that is you would make sure that you have your Reports Enhanced Drill Down turned on. And when you have that turned on, look at what happens when you do this. So I'm going to go ahead and click through on this line item here, or this total here. And as you can see, you open up into a brand new transaction report tab. It names it what it is. And then your profit and loss is still open over here. So that way you can toggle back and forth between the two. And that profit and loss report stays open, which in a lot of cases, that's what many of us like to see. It solves that pain point in avoiding losing that profit and loss, so you don't have to run it all over again and all this other stuff. So, and then when you get ready to, and then you can look at what you're looking for in the list here to see, you know, how that total came up to be 28,000, whatever it is. And then when you're done with it, you just go ahead and close it out, and that brings you back to your original profit and loss. So anyway, that's part of the free version of RightTool. So that's one of the other things that I like about RightTool, is being able to have multiple tabs open that are labeled, and when you click through on a transaction line item, it opens up a transaction report and leaves the original report intact. So anyway, I hope this helps you today. Y'all have a wonderful day, everyone. Take care, and we will see you soon.